A friend sends you a photo and you think, I really want to go there. But there's just one problem. You have no idea where there is. So you start trying to guess where it is, comparing landmarks, checking maps, searching for flights and hotels, and suddenly you have a dozen tabs and screenshots open. What if you can have a travel assistant that can do all of that for you? It could look at a photo, identify the location, and find real flights and hotels automatically for you. And even better, what if everything ran locally on your own machine without using those expensive cloud APIs? Today, I will show you how to build a multi-agent travel assistant using OpenVINO. Before running it, let me give you the big picture of the application. Every request starts in the UI and goes to the routed agent, which coordinates the system. Based on intent, it forwards tasks to specialized agents for flights, hotels, or image analysis. Each agent has access to a brain to reason and handle tasks. When that's not enough, like for live flights or hotel data, it uses MCP servers as external tools. And if you provide an image, a vision language model also running through MCP identifies the city for you. And here's the best part, everything runs locally, so each agent uses the available brains, or the LLMs, served locally through OpenVINO model server with no external APIs calls at all. And a single script brings it all together for you, models, MCP servers, agents, and the UI. Let's put our hands on. We are going to clone the OpenVINO build and deploy repo. This is a fantastic resource packed with full applications called AI Ref Kits. This is one of those kits you can run in just a few steps. Feel free to run it yourself later, there is a lot of great content. But for now, let's prepare our workspace. We'll start by cloning the OpenVINO build and deploy repo, then create a Python virtual environment to keep everything clean, and install the dependencies. After that, we can install the kit. In my case, I will use the Linux setup with the default configuration, which, thanks to OpenVINO model server, lets us run optimized models like QM3 and 5.3.5 exposed as APIs. By the way, you can check my videos if you want to learn more about OpenVINO model server. The installation script works on both Windows and Linux, and you can customize it, like changing the brains or selecting a different inference device. When we run the script, it is able to detect the available hardware. If an Intel GPU is available, it is used automatically. Otherwise, inference runs on CPUs, as you can see in my case. The script then sets up the OpenVINO model server as a Docker image, downloads the models from Hugging Face, and starts the inference. After verifying the models are ready, it moves onto the MCP server's installation. You'll be prompted for a SERP API key, which is used for Google search to retrieve flight and hotel information. You can easily get a free key from the SERP API website. With the key provided, the MCP servers are initialized, and you will see the confirmation that all three servers are running: image captioning, flight search, and hotel search. Next, the agents start up. It will check if the LLMs and the MCPs are reachable. If they are okay, it gives you the confirmation the agents are up. And finally, if everything checks out, the UI, which is built in Gradio, is launched after confirming agent availability. At this point, great news. Our assistant is ready to be used. And as you can see, this kit is very easy to be installed. Just one script that installs and verifies the component, and you are ready to go. And now the fun part. We upload an image and ask for flight to that destination. The router sends the image to the image captioning agent. It then handles it and calls an MCP tool with a vision language model to identify the city. If we are missing details, like in my case, I didn't provide a departure city or travel dates, so let's give that information. Once everything is confirmed, the router sends the request to the flight agent, which pulls live data through the flight search MCP server. With that information, the flight agent processes it and sends it back to the router agent, and it's presented to us. The same flow works for hotels. You can actually watch the agent communication in real time through Tracelog, which is pretty cool. You now have a multimodal, multi-agent system running locally. just like in my case on your own laptop, with real data and tool integration. You can try it, tweak it, break it, modify the agent, swap the brains, add new tools, and adapt it to your own use cases. Everything is designed so you can reuse it, copy it, and build on top of it. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video.